Okay, so have you ever looked around your room or like at your keychain or even your earrings and just felt, I don't know, a little uninspired? Like everything is just kind of blah. Yeah, I think we've all been there.
But what if you had the power to change all of that? What if you could take these simple little blocks of color and, with your own two hands, turn them into something that is totally 100% you?
I'm talking about this, like these amazing marbled earrings that just scream, I am so chic, or these ridiculously cute little strawberry charms for your phone. Or how about a one-of-a-kind coaster that makes your desk instantly way cooler? Yes, please!
Oh, and we are not done. And this, how about custom hair clips with patterns that literally nobody else has? Or this gorgeous moon phase wall art to totally level up your room's vibe? Or maybe a tiny little animal magnet that just makes you smile every single time you see it. So cute!
So what is the secret? What's the magic behind all this? What's the one thing that makes all of this awesome stuff possible? You ready for it?
It is polymer clay. You guys, this stuff is amazing. It's a super soft, really easy to use modeling clay that you can shape into pretty much anything. And the best part? You just bake it in your regular kitchen oven and bam! It turns into a permanent, super durable piece of art. It is basically magic.
All right, let's kick things off with giving your personal style a major upgrade. This is all about making awesome things that you can wear and show off to, the entire world. Seriously, forget boring store-bought jewelry. With polymer clay, you can design your very own statement earrings with cool geometric shapes. You can craft unique beads for necklaces and friendship bracelets, make the most adorable little charms like tiny fruits or animals for your keys or your backpack, and you can even decorate plain old hair clips with funky patterns to match every single outfit. The possibilities!
Okay, so now that your personal style is totally on point, let's talk about your space. We're going to transform your room from basic to absolutely breathtaking.
Okay, just look at this. On the left, you've got a pretty standard, kind of boring desk situation. But on the right, whoa, total transformation. We're talking custom coasters, super fun magnets for your whiteboard, and you can even decorate a plant pot or make your own little faux succulents that, get this, you literally can't kill. It's all about creating a space that is a true reflection of you.
I'm telling you, the possibilities are actually endless. You could make fun, decorative handles for utensils to make your kitchen a little more fun, or design entire pieces of wall art. You can literally look at almost any object in your house and think, how can I make this cooler with clay?
All right, so you've seen all the amazing things you can make. Now for the really fun part, how do you get those super cool professional-looking designs? Well, I'm about to spill the secrets. These are the magic tricks. And spoiler alert, they are so easy.
First up, we have marbling. This is how you get those gorgeous, swirly patterns that you see in super expensive jewelry. And it's so simple. It's just twisting different colors of clay together. The best part? Every single marbled piece you make will be completely unique. No one else in the entire world will have the exact same pattern as you. How cool is that?
And look how easy this is. Seriously, step 1, you just roll your colors into little clay snakes. Step 2, twist them all together, kind of like a piece of candy. And step 3, you just squish, roll it out, and shape it. That is it. You instantly have this beautiful marbled slab of clay that's ready to be cut into earrings or, well, any other shape you can dream up.
Okay, next up is a technique called caning. And my absolute favorite way to think about this is that it's like you're making a tiny magical sushi roll out of clay. For real. You build a design inside a log of clay, and then every single slice you cut from that log has the exact same perfect little pattern inside. It's wild.
So here's how it works. First, you layer your colors to make a design, like the little segments of a lemon or just some simple stripes. Then, you carefully roll it all together into one long log, which we call a cane, and then, this is the most satisfying part, I promise, you slice it up and reveal your awesome repeating pattern. This is absolutely perfect for making beads or those adorable tiny fruit charms.
Okay, so you know what polymer clay is, you've seen all the cool stuff it can do, and you even know the secret techniques. There's really only one thing left to do now, right? It's time to actually make something.
But I get it. With all these ideas swirling around in your head, it can feel a little overwhelming. Where do you even start? Don't worry, I've got you. Let's start with something that's really fun and super achievable. So here it is, your official
first creative mission if you choose to accept it. My advice? Start simple. Making cute little charms like tiny hearts or little strawberries is a fantastic way to just get a feel for the clay. Or you can make a cool decorative top for a bookmark, or if you have any plants, make some fun garden markers to give them some personality. These are the perfect starter projects to build up your confidence.
So the only question left is, what's it gonna be? A new keychain, an amazing pair of earrings, a magnet for your locker? The clay is waiting. Your awesome ideas are ready to go. What incredible thing are you going to create first? You've got this. Go for it.